Mastering the phrase, to turn in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to uncover the meaning and usage of the phrase, to turn in. It's a common expression in English that can be a bit tricky for learners. So, let's dive in and turn your confusion into clarity. When we think of turning, it often involves a physical movement, changing direction. To turn in its most literal sense, can mean to enter a place by turning. For example, she turned in at the driveway. Beyond the literal, to turn in has several figurative meanings. Let's explore the most common ones. To turn in, as in submitting work. In educational or professional settings, to turn in often means submitting work or documents. For instance, don't forget to turn in your assignments by Friday. To turn in, as in going to bed. Another popular usage is to indicate going to bed. Saying, "I'm going to turn in early tonight," simply means the person intends to go to sleep sooner than usual. Colloquially, turn in can also be part of a phrasal verb like turn in for the night, reinforcing the idea of ending activities to go to sleep. It's also used in law enforcement contexts, meaning to surrender oneself or someone else to the authorities. A common mistake learners make is confusing turn in with turn into. Remember, turn into implies transformation, while turn in is about submitting something or the act of going to bed. And that's a wrap on the phrase, to turn in. We've turned every corner of this expression, and now you should be ready to use it like a native speaker. Happy learning, and don't hesitate to turn into our channel for more English tips. Goodbye for now.